Today I will demonstrate how to set up these canopy temperature sensors in field to get the best results out of the data it generates. There is a lens on the front end of the sensor. We want that lens pointing towards the plant. On the other side of the sensor, you will notice there is a bracket. We ensure that it is installed at an angle of 45 degrees so that we are sensing more than just one plant. It is important that canopy temperature sensor is looking at a section of plants that is representative of the field, so it's not looking at a gap or a plant that's unusually large. Choose a location that best represents the conditions in the field. It is no different than a sea probe. For example, avoiding locations closer to tail drain or closer to head ditch. We use telescopic poles to install canopy temperature sensors in the field. It is important to regularly adjust the height of the sensor to maintain a gap of 20 to 30 centimeters between the tip of the sensor and top of the plant. That's about all the maintenance that this sensor needs throughout the season. The batteries in the unit should last for the whole season. You can access the data that this sensor generates on your phone or a computer.